Hello, we are on another topic. This topic is on layers. This layers is not only for laying birds only. It's not only for Esa Brown. It's not for every laying birds. Turkey, geese, guinea fowl, duck, and rest of them. It is also for broiler layers. If you are into broiler parent stock, you can still make use of this particular feed using black soldier fly larva. Let's get there. Here we have all the serial number. Here we have the feed raw materials. We have corn, we have soya bean, we have groundnut cake, we have wheat offal, we have rice bran, we have pancake cake, BSF larva, blood meal, we have bone and meat meal, limestone, vitamin and mineral premise, we have salt, we have methionine, we have lysine, we have enzyme and preservative. Here is the quantity of the raw materials we are going to use to produce our feed. Here is the crude protein content of each of these raw materials, where we are going to make use of this particular portion for our calculation. So if this is the first time I'm coming across this channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe right now. Subscribe and activate the bell notification. Please make sure you like this video. Make sure you give this video a thumb up, because this is an interesting video that is going to help you to produce quality egg, massive egg, jumbo egg, and rich egg. Please, this is for you. Encourage this by giving it a thumb up and making sure you are commenting. Drop your comment. Thank you alone can go a long way in encouraging us to produce more video of this quality and of this caliber for you. Let's get there. Finisher. We are through with finisher. We are through with starter. We are through with super starter, and we are through with grower. Here is the layers feed. Let's get there. Remember that for layers, they need more calcium to strengthen their egg shell. They need more protein to fortify the egg drop. So we are starting with corn. Corn meal here we have 50 kg. 50 times 9. Let me pick my calculator. 50 times 9. 50 times 9 divided by 100. This will give us 4.5. Now we have soya bean. Soya bean here we have 5 kg. We are using 5 kg here. 5 times 45 divided by 100. That will give us 225. That will give us 2.25. Now, the next one is groundnut cake. Groundnut cake, we are making use of the same 5 kg here. 5 times 45 divided by 100. That will give us 2.25. The next one is wheat offal. For wheat offal, we are making use of 10 kg. 10 times 15 divided by 100. That will give us 1.5. Then the next one here, we are going for rice bran. Rice bran, we're making use of 5 kg. And we got 5 times 14 divided by 100. That will give us 0.7. Next one is PKC. PKC is pancake cake. We're using 5 kg. 5 times 18 divided by 100. That will give us 0.9. Next one is BSF Larvae. For BSF Larvae, you know these are our major ingredients. We are using 8 kg. 8 times 40 divided by 100. That will give us 3.2. Next one is blood meal. Blood meal here, for blood meal here, we are making use of 2 kg because we don't need too much of blood meal. 2 times 80 divided by 100, that will give us 1.6. Then the next one here is bone and meat meal. Because of the strength of calcium, We want to fortify the strength of the egg shell. We are using high calcium here, which is 5 kg. 5 times 50 divided by 100, that will give us 2.5. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these ones are normal. For our limestone here, we use 3 kg. Vitamin and mineral premix here, we use vitamin and mineral premix. Let's make use of 0.5. Salt, let's make use of 0.5. Methionine 0.25. Lysine 0.25. Enzyme and preservative 0.5. If you add all, it's going to give us 100 kg. Now let's add up all this. 4.5 plus 2.25 plus 2.25 plus 1.5 plus 0.7 plus 0.9 plus 3.2 plus 1.6 plus 2.5. This will give us 19.4. This is very good layers feed with BSF Larvae 19.4 CP. This particular feed is very rich for layers with BSF Larvae. If you are a poultry farmer, you are into egg production, make use of this particular feed and come back and thank me later. Please, this is where we'll end this particular series using BSF Larvae. If you want any other question on this BSF Larvae, please drop it on the comment section. And if actually you like this video and you want to encourage me, drop it on the comment section. Thank you alone can go a long way in encouraging me to produce more video for you. Share this video to reach more farmers. And if you are seeing this video, seeing this channel for the first time through this video, drop it on the comment section. We are going to give you a shout out. And may I use this opportunity also to thank all my fans that have been watching my video. Most especially those that have been encouraging us to produce more video like this, like Mr. Prince Osai, who has been helpful to this particular channel in all ramifications. Continue to bless you. May God continue to prosper you in your business. As you also help us to help those that need help in agribusiness, God will also increase you in your own business. Thank you, Mr. Prince Osai. Wherever you are, may God locate you. Bye for now.